And now, WWE presents Survivor Series.
And the showdown, a month in the making, is finally here.
And how about the stipulation, whichever team wins, each member will earn a #1 contender match.
Hey, King, here comes William Regal.
Yeah, but Michael, I don't think he's suited up.
King, I think he's coming over here to join us on commentary.
What?
There's the bell, and this match is underway. Now Survivor Series rules.
Do you mind being quiet for a moment, Cole?
Finally, somebody else that sees things my way.
Gentlemen, do you realize that right now you're watching the greatest collection of young talent in the WWE today?
I realize that your countrymen are all amazing athletes, Mr. Regal. I have to ask, what happened to Big Show?
Just what are you trying to get at, Cole? That myself and any members of the United Kingdom have any knowledge of Big Show's whereabouts? Maybe he's sitting in a car at an intersection waiting for a stop sign to turn green. How should I know? Would you look for a moment at Edge cowering there on the apron? That ragamuffin doesn't know what he's got himself into.
That may be, but at least he's on the apron.
Watch your tone, Cole. At least I teach you a lesson in respect.
And there's the amateur background of the former two-time All-American.
A quick knee lift.
Drew McIntyre with the arm. Great reaction. Oh my gosh, did you see his head? Jack Swagger from Perry, Oklahoma is a two-time All-American from Oklahoma University.
Jack Swagger loves to brag about that great amateur background. And he uses some of those moves in every match. That's what's made him famous. Watch this!
And now, looking to put him away. And a smug expression crosses the face of McIntyre. Drew hooking the arms.
Oh man, how much damage did that cause to the neck?
Drew McIntyre was personally recruited by the chairman of the WWE, Mr. McMahon.
Yeah, that has to put a lot of pressure on this young man. You don't want to disappoint Mr. McMahon after he goes out on a limb and hand-picks you.
Three!
What's he up to here?
Drew McIntyre, so full of confidence.
Hey!
Debilitating impact to the spine and back. Little wasted movement by McIntyre. It's a straight ahead, pounding offensive style. That chop turning his chest a deep purple.
That put Alberto in his place. Whoa!
Mr. Regal, what's your take of Alberto Del Rio? Do you feel like his lineage fits well with your group?
Absolutely not. Del Rio may be wealthy and come from what passes for Spanish royalty, but that's nothing compared to the bloodline of the people of the United Kingdom.
That was a pretty stupid question, Michael.
Oh, man!
That'll take the wind out of your sails.
Mr. Regal, if I may, earlier you referred to this team by a name. Hooks the leg.
1, 2, 3. Del Rio's been eliminated. Edge doesn't look like he wants any part of this.
Well, it doesn't matter what Edge wants. This man's about to get the thrashing of his life.
Oh my, talk about your miracles.
Boy, that's one angry-looking giant.
This is impossible. He can't participate. The match is nearly over.
Not only is he going to participate, Lord Regal, but Big Show showing no hesitation.
Oh, look out!
Spear! A spear from the 485-pound Big Show.
Oh, there's no way Drew's getting up from that.
And now Big Show's begging Sheamus to bring it.
This is impossible.
What do you mean?
I mean, don't worry about what I mean, you idiot. Now call the action.
Oh!
And he falls hard to the mat. Blocked. Big Show.
Sheamus. Uh-oh.
What a move, rattling the ring.
Sometimes when you go high risk, you crash and burn. And sometimes you knock it out of the park. And that was a perfect example of hitting it big. He's still not through.
Intercepted.
Oh, that's like getting hit with an old typewriter.
Great reaction. And Big Show loses his vertical base.
Whoa! Not even close. Yow!
Sheamus again heading to the top.
Incoming!
Whoa, right on target. The sacrifice you must be willing to take to compete in the big leagues in the WWE is unreal.
This is more like it. CJ, nothing to fear.
Wait a minute!
And now Sheamus, vintage Sheamus.
Big Show countered it. Hey, he's going for it again. And he wants to get out of there in the worst way. My goodness, Sheamus is just so hard to stop.
Here we go. And a great counter by the Big Show. High cross. The Celtic Warrior is brutal. Sheamus hoisting the mammoth Big Show to his feet. Broke it. No! Big Show catches the boot. Sheamus goes down.
Right in the eyes.
Barrett sent flying.
Oh, the Big Show's on a tear.
And Regal goes flying off the apron. Brogue kick. Sheamus just knocked Big Show out.
And now the only person keeping the United Kingdom from victory is Edge.
Big Show, Jack Swagger, and Alberto Del Rio have been eliminated from Edge's team. Meanwhile, only Drew McIntyre has been eliminated from the United Kingdom.
Well, by the looks of things, I'd say that Barrett and Regal are basically out too.
So what, we're down to the final two men?
I think,
Trying to put him away.
Oh, and Edge drives his opponent's face right into the ground.
Edge showing the wherewithal to reverse it. Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. Careening spine first into the barricade. Sheamus throwing more pain, more hurt. Great reaction.
Uh-oh.
Regal are down, but they still aren't moving.
You get hit by one of those shots from Big Show and see how quickly you get up.
Back to the neck. Edge's neck will be thoroughly tested by the time this match is over. Desperately needs to make a tag here.
Here, take that, Edge. minute.
And now Sheamus planted on the knee. Irish curse. Sheamus scoops Edge up, throws him over his shoulder. Edge is in trouble.
Oh, what a counter from Edge.
Edge grabs the legs. 1, 2, 3. No, Sheamus kicks out.
And now he's thinking spear.
And Sheamus doesn't know where he is. Sheamus is in serious jeopardy.
Edge is calling for it.
Sheamus sidesteps. Oh, what a kick to the skull.
Out of nowhere. 1, 2, 3.
The United Kingdom has done it.
And now the entire WWE needs to, well, they need to watch their backs.